How to add people on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to add friends or people on Snapchat. So in order to add people or friends on Snapchat, first thing first, update your application. If you have not updated, go to your Google Play Store and then on the search box type in Snapchat. So instead of open, if you see update, press on it and wait for the application to be updated. Once the application is completely updated, click on the open button and log in into your account. While you're on this page, you can see right on top in the right hand side corner there's a plus icon. Tap on it. As soon as you do this, this is the particular page where you can go ahead and add people or friends on your Snapchat. So here you have quick adds. So these are all your suggested list. Might be your friends or they might be from the particular contact that you've saved on your devices. So in order to add them, all you have to do is just tap the add button. After that, you'll have to wait for the contact to accept your request, and as soon as the particular contact accept your request, he or she will be added to your friend list. And apart from that, you are not able to find the particular user on the quick add, then what you can do is you can just go ahead and tap the search bar, type in the username, and then look for the contact that you wish to add it and click on the add button. The other easiest way is that you can simply ask for a Snapchat code. So you can just go ahead and scan the code. So for that, you need to tap the button, and from here you'll need to go ahead and snap the Snapchat code. And once you snap code, and after that the particular user will be added automatically. So this was the method on adding people on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.